Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, the sun is falling slowly. The ocean is glowing gold. And right here beside you, we found everything we need. Love beneath the Caribbean sunset. Me remember the day when our eyes first met. A beautiful moment, me never forget. The island breeze was calling our names. Two hearts dancing in the evening flames. Your smile was brighter than the morning sun. With you beside me, life had begun. The waves were singing a sweet love song. A feeling me knew where me belong. Walking barefoot on the sandy shore. Every day, me love you more and more. The palm trees swaying with the ocean breeze. Your love bringing my heart to peace. As the colors fill the evening sky, I see forever in your eyes. The world can change, the years may go, but this love will continue to grow. Love beneath the Caribbean sunset, where our hearts meet as one, dancing together by the ocean, underneath the golden sun. Love beneath the Caribbean sunset, a memory we'll never lose. With your hand holding on to mine, there is no place I'd rather choose. Oh girl, we found paradise right here with you tonight. The reggae rhythm plays so softly while the stars begin to shine. Your laughter feels like music, a melody forever mine. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your loving heart is worth much more. Every kiss and every embrace feels like heaven in this place. When the rain comes and the skies turn gray, me promise I won't walk away. Through every season, through every tide, me'll always stand right by your side. Love beneath the Caribbean sunset, a love so pure and true. The ocean waves keep reminding me, oh bless me, I'm with you. Love beneath the Caribbean sunset, written like a story in the sand. Two hearts, one journey, forever walking together, hand in hand. Oh girl, sometimes just sends a blessing when you least expect it. One beautiful moment, one beautiful heart, one love that changes everything. Me thank Jah every day for bringing you my way. Years may pass like the ocean tide, but me'll still be right by your side. We'll watch the sunsets come and go, still loving each other more and more. We'll dance when the music starts to play, laugh through every passing day. Our story written across the sea, a love that lasts eternally. No matter where this journey leads, you are the only love me need. From this island to the stars above, we'll always protect this love. Love beneath the Caribbean sunset, forever in my heart it stays. A love so beautiful and precious, growing stronger every day. Love beneath the Caribbean sunset, our hearts forever free. The ocean, the stars, and the island breeze will always remind me of you and me. Oh, oh yeah. Love beneath the Caribbean sunset, forever you and me. Yeah man, the sun may disappear, the night may come, but true love keeps shining like the waves are moving slow, the music is playing, and all we want to do is dance with you by the ocean tide. Me remember the night when I saw your smile, standing by the shore for a little while. The ocean breeze was blowing so free, and Jah brought you closer to me. The stars were shining above the sea, like they were telling a story about you and me. Your hand in mine, your heart so near, a beautiful moment I hold so dear. Me hear the rhythm of the island drum, feel the happiness when you come. No worries, no troubles, no fear inside, just love moving with the ocean tide. Come closer, girl, don't let me go. Let the island rhythm flow. With every step and every chance, our hearts move together in this dance. Dancing with you by the ocean tide, with your loving arms around me tight. Under the stars, under the moonlight glow, you are the only love I know. Dancing with you by the ocean tide, where my heart feels satisfied. The waves keep singing our melody, a love song for you and me. Oh girl, stay with me tonight. Let's dance beneath the island lights. Barefoot walking on the golden sand, feeling your fingers holding my hand. The sunset fades but our love stays bright, like a flame burning through the night. Me don't need riches, me don't need fame, all me need is you calling my name. Your gentle smile, your loving ways, bring sunshine into all me days. The palm trees sway with the Caribbean breeze, your love brings my heart to peace. Every moment feels like a dream, like a perfect island scene. Dancing with you by the ocean tide, forever standing by your side. Through every season, through every year, your love is the one I hold dear. Dancing with you by the ocean tide, with nothing but love as our guide. The ocean knows the love we share, a bond that will always be there. Oh girl, when the world gets loud, come back to this moment. The sound of the waves, the touch of your hand, the rhythm of two hearts. Jah bless me the day I found you. Years may pass and the tides may change, but true love will still remain. We'll dance like this when we're old and gray, still loving each other every day. We'll watch the sunrise after the night, holding each other in the morning light. Every memory, every place will remind me of your beautiful face. Me promise to cherish this love we found, like a treasure buried deep in the ground. No matter where this life may go, my heart will always follow yours. Dancing with you by the ocean tide, forever you and me side by side. The waves may rise, the stars may fall, but our love will survive it all. Dancing with you by the ocean tide, the happiest place I know inside. With God's blessing shining above, we'll keep dancing in eternal love. Oh yeah, dance with me forever by the ocean tide. Yeah man, the night may fade, the night may fade, the waves may slow, but this love will keep moving, like the ocean, like the rhythm, like two hearts dancing forever. Dancing with you by the ocean tide. Yeah man. Oh Jah, look up up at the sky tonight. Every star is shining for a reason. Some loves are found by chance, but some loves are written in the stars. Me was walking alone by the ocean shore. Never knew what Jah had waiting in store. The waves were singing a beautiful song. Then you came along where my heart belongs. Your eyes were shining like the morning light. A beautiful vision under the moon so bright. The island breeze carried your name to me, like a blessing floating across the sea. Me never believed in a love so true until the day me found you. Two hearts meeting at the perfect time, like the stars were meant to align. Every sunrise, every moonlit night reminds me that we found something right. The universe knew what our hearts would find, a love that was written before our time. Island love, written in the stars, a love that shines wherever we are. Under the moon, beside the sea, you are the only one for me. Island love, written in the stars. No distance can ever keep us apart. The ocean may change, the seasons may turn, but this love will forever burn. Oh girl, Jah brought you to me, written in the stars. Oh, the palm trees dance when you walk by my side. The waves tell stories with the changing tide. Every moment feels like a dream come true. Every beautiful memory starts with you. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your loving art is worth more than all. Your smile is the treasure I want to keep, the kind of love that runs so deep. When the rain falls and the clouds appear, I'll hold you close and keep you near. Through every challenge, through every fight, I'll be your strength through the darkest night. Island love, written in the stars, a beautiful journey that brought us this far. With your hand inside of mine, I know our hearts were designed. Island love, written in the stars, a forever love beyond the stars. Every heartbeat, every breath I take shows me this love was never a mistake. Oh girl, maybe we were two strangers waiting for the right moment. Two hearts, one rhythm, one love, just timing is perfect, and the stars already knew. Oh, years may pass like the ocean tide, but I'll still be right there by your side. We'll watch the sunset, we'll watch the rain, we'll laugh together again and again. The story of us will never fade, a beautiful promise that love has made. From island mornings to endless nights, our love will keep shining bright. No matter where this journey goes, one thing my heart will always know: you are my dream, my destiny, the greatest blessing sent to me. Island love, written in the stars, forever shining wherever we are. Under Caribbean sky so blue, my heart will always belong to you. Island love, written in the stars, a love that will never fall apart. With just blessing from above, we found a lifetime of endless love. Ooh, yeah. Written in the stars, forever you and me. Yeah man, the stars keep shining, the waves keep moving, and my heart keeps singing. Some loves are temporary, loves are forever. Island love, island love, written in the stars. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, the ocean is calling, the palm trees are dancing, but the sweetest place me ever find is not a beach, it's not an island, it's your heart. Your heart is my paradise. Me travel many roads looking for a place, searching for love, searching for grace. Then you came like the morning sun and showed me where true happiness begun. Your smile brings peace to my soul, your love makes my broken pieces whole. When you hold me close, me feel so free, like the waves flowing endlessly. Me don't need a mansion by the sea, or treasures that the world can give to me, because the greatest gift I ever found is the love that keeps my heart safe and sound. Every heartbeat tells the truth, every moment leads me back to you. The world may change and seasons pass, but this kind of love is built to last. Your heart is my paradise, the place where my soul feels alive. Your love is my sunshine, the reason me continue to smile. Your heart is my paradise, more precious than diamonds and gold. In your arms I found my freedom, a love my heart will always hold. Oh girl, we found heaven in your love. Your heart is my paradise. Walking with you under island skies, seeing forever in your eyes. The sunset paints the ocean blue, every beautiful color reminds me of you. The reggae rhythm plays so sweet, while our hearts move to the same beat. The moonlight shines upon the shore, making me love you even more. Me promise to stand beside you through every storm we travel through. When the rain falls and the night gets long, I'll be your shelter, I'll keep you strong. Your heart is my paradise, where my worries disappear. Your love is the melody that me always want to hear. Your heart is my paradise, the dream I never knew. God bless my life today, I found someone like you. Oh girl, a paradise is not just a place, it's a feeling. It's the smile of someone who loves you, it's the warmth of someone who understands you. And we found that feeling inside your heart. Years will come and years will go, but my love for you will continue to grow. We'll watch the sunrise and the night, making memories across the line. When we're older and the days move slow, I'll still love you more than you know. Every wrinkle, every story we share will remind me how blessed we are. No matter where life takes us away, my heart will choose you every day, because love like this is hard to find, a treasure that lasts a lifetime. Your heart is my paradise, my forever place to stay. man. The ocean has its beauty, the island has its charm, but nothing compares to the peace we feel when we're resting in your love. Your heart is my paradise. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. The night is young, the stars are shining, the palm trees moving with the island breeze. Come closer, my love, let the rhythm carry us away, forever under the palm tree moon. Remember the night when I found you there, standing by the ocean with the warm island air. The moon was glowing, the waves were slow, and something inside my heart began to grow. Your smile was shining brighter than the stars, like a blessing sent from somewhere far. Me never knew a love could feel so right, until you walked into my life that night. Barefoot dancing on the golden sand, feeling the warmth of your gentle hand. The reggae played, the fire burning bright, two hearts connected under the moonlight. Every whisper from the ocean breeze brings back memories of you and me. Every star that shines above reminds me of this beautiful love. Forever under the palm tree moon, dancing with you to our favorite tune. With your love wrapped around my heart, I knew we were never meant to part. Forever under the palm tree moon, where our dreams and hearts bloom. Through every season, through every tide, I'll keep you forever by my side. Oh girl, we found my paradise under the palm tree moon tonight. Island breeze keeps calling your name. Nothing in this world will ever feel the same. Your love is sweeter than the morning sun, a beautiful journey that has just begun. Me don't need riches, me don't need fame. All me need is you calling my name. Your heart is the treasure me want to keep, a love so strong and a feeling so deep. When the rain falls and the clouds turn gray, I'll be your shelter every day. When life gets hard and the road gets long, together we'll keep moving strong. Forever under the palm tree moon, singing our love like a reggae tune. The ocean knows the love we share, a bond that will always be there. Forever under the palm tree moon, our hearts will always stay in tune. No distance, no time, no storm can break the beautiful love that we create. Oh girl, some moments are too precious to forget. The sound of the waves, the touch of your hand, the way your eyes shine under the moonlight. Me thank Jah every day for giving me a love like this. Years may pass and the tides may change, but true love will always remain. We'll watch the sunsets, we'll count the stars, still knowing you are my heart. When we're older and the nights move slow, I'll still hold you closer than you know. We'll laugh about the memories we've made, the love that time could never fade. From the first hello to the final day, my heart will never walk away, because a love like ours is rare and true. A lifetime is not enough with you. under the palm tree moon. Yeah, man, the moon will rise, the waves will roll, the music will play, and my heart will always remember that beautiful night. Forever under the palm tree moon. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, close your eyes and feel the island breeze. The waves are calling, the stars are shining. Some dreams are only dreams, but some dreams become reality. Like me and you, Caribbean dreams of you and me. Yeah. Oh yeah. We remember the days when we walked alone, searching for a place where my heart felt home. Then he came like a beautiful sunrise, with a gentle smile and loving eyes. The ocean breeze carried your name to me, like a message floating across the sea. The palm trees moved and the birds sang too. The whole island felt brighter with you. Me never knew love could feel so deep, a treasure my heart was meant to keep. Every moment, every memory feels like a dream come true to me. When the moon shines over the ocean blue, me close my eyes and think of you. Every heartbeat, every melody brings back our island fantasy. Caribbean dreams of you and me, dancing together by the endless sea. Under the stars, beneath the sky, watching our love forever rise. Caribbean dreams of you and me, a beautiful love story written peacefully, with your hand holding on to mine. I know our hearts were meant to shine. Oh girl, we found paradise in your love tonight. Oh girl, oh girl. Walking barefoot where the waves come in, feeling the joy of a brand new beginning. The reggae rhythm playing soft and slow, taking us where only lovers go. Me don't need diamonds shining bright, or a palace underneath the light. Give me your smile, give me your heart, that's where true happiness starts. The sunset paints the evening gold, while your love makes my spirit whole. Every whisper, every gentle touch reminds me why I love you so much. Caribbean dreams of you and me, lost in the rhythm of the island sea. Every sunrise, every night, with you everything feels right. Caribbean dreams of you and me, forever where we're meant to be. The ocean waves will always say our love is here to stay. Oh girl, baby, Jah knew before we knew. Two hearts, two souls, one beautiful journey. The stars above were watching, the ocean was listening. The day our paths crossed. Years may pass and the seasons change, but real love will still remain. We'll tell our story when we're old, a love more precious than silver and gold. We'll watch the sunrise hand in hand, leaving footprints across the sand. Every chapter, every page will show the love we built with age. Through every storm, through every tide, we'll keep walking by your side. Because the greatest dream we ever knew was a life waves will keep rolling, the stars will keep glowing, but one thing will never change: the dream, the love, the memory. Caribbean dreams of you and me.